If you are somebody who like football, you like to watch football game, this video proposing for una, I will share with you now a website where you dey watch all kind, any kind, either Premier League, La Liga, Bundus League, League One, African Nations Cup, World Cup, Champions League, Copa America, Euro. You dey watch on the website there. Family, this website is very powerful. This website is access to any updated device, either on a personal PC or on a Mac or on a Windows or any tablet you access to. The only thing you need is that you need strong internet, which will help you to access to the website. Remember, it costs free. You no need to pay for them before you have access to the website. I bet you must need the video back. So what are you waiting for? Add the video to your favorite. Thanks me later. Let's get started. Now we look for any browser. I click on Google. Click on the search bar. Type score 808. Make we wait and see. You don't appear. Scroll down. Scroll up again. Make I zoom the website. I want to see for myself. This is not the website. Click on now. Make we wait and see. Now they can appear all the game that in the day. You click on the watch. So when you click on this, they appear there. You click. You get access for put your email, but no put your email. Just click cancel. You wait after a few seconds. I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, follow me for more. Let me know what's in your mind in the comment section. Share to 5, add it to favorite,